How to change language on Gemini app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change Gemini's language on your Google. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Google's official app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on the profile icon at the top right and head over to its settings. Here you have different options like privacy and safety, notification, Google Assistant, and Gemini. You have to note that Google Assistant and Gemini are completely different. Google Assistant will help you with your home appliances, while Gemini is an AI assistant. So just tap on Gemini here and then tap on languages. Here you will have two options. The first one is the language that will work on Gemini and its Google Assistant feature as well. And the following list is the language that will work on Gemini only. So what you're going to do is tap on your current language, and then from here you are just going to go ahead and tap on this drop down menu, and you will be offered a list of various languages that you can use on your Gemini. So for example, if I just go down and use this language right here, so this will be my preferred language for Gemini as well as Google Assistant. And that's how you change language on Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.